This is Rohan Bansal, part 1 of Road Simple Parts of Legos, and here we have a dump truck we'll make, a mini one, and if you don't have these pieces, you could order them online, but we'll stick with what we have right now. And if you have a different color piece like this, that's good. So but these are the pieces I have. So we'll first start with making the wheels and axle stuff. So first you need you need this 4x4, and right over here you should have like one of this. I just attached that one. So if you have 2 of these, that's great. And not attached one, like it has 2 and then that stuff. So then another one, and then we're going to the base, which is I'm gonna put one of these on, and then we're gonna put one like that, and one like that, and then we're gonna have this piece for the dump it, and then this is gonna be a part together. So we're gonna put this together, and then one like that, and then you're gonna attach it. First just do that so you can have a bigger base stuff. I'm gonna put that, and then put that, and then that, and then that. Wait, no. So, I'm getting a little confused here. Like that, you have your dump there. Now for the shield thing. I'm gonna put one like that. One of the other one, and one like that. So then we're gonna put these 2 on. And you almost have your dump truck. But then that. Put another one, but it's gray. That. And that. And we're done. Have your dump truck. And you can even do that. And you have a flat base there. And if you did something wrong, you have a wedge there.